Hi friends, this video shows how to enter into Android recovery menu. First we need to power off this mobile phone. We have two options. We can press and hold this power button, or we can press volume up and power button together. So let me press and hold this power button. Here we can see power menu. Move this white circle down to power off. So this way we can power off this mobile phone. Next I am going to power on this phone. We need to press and hold volume down and power button together. Let me press and hold these two buttons together, volume down and power button. When you see OnePlus logo, at that point you can release power button. Let me release power button. But please hold volume down button. Please don't release it. Now we can release volume down button. Then press volume down button, select language. Let me select English. Then press this power button to confirm this selection. Done. This is the Android recovery menu. Here you can see three options: format data, reboot device, power off. See. So let me select format data, then press this power button to confirm this selection. Here we have to enter this verification code. So let me enter 7. Then if you want to format, you can tap on this format option. So let me cancel this. So this way we can enter into Android recovery menu. If you want to exit, you can just select reboot device, then press this power button, then tap on OK. So this way we can reboot and exit from this Android recovery menu. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.